South film industry is making some great movies. Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and today we will be reviewing a Tamil film, Pon Mangal Vandhal, and it is an Amazon exclusive release. The literal translation of the title is The Precious Princess Has Arrived. So let's start the review. Now this movie is essentially a courtroom drama. The story of the movie revolves around a woman named Venba, who is an advocate, played by Jyotika. Now, Venba fights as a defendant of a 15-year-old case wherein a woman had allegedly kidnapped and murdered young girls and was branded as psychotic. Venba claims that all the evidence against the accused, named Jyoti, is false and tries to clear her name, much against the wishes of the general public, and now, obviously because of that, the general public completely despises her for defending a branded murderer. Okay, let's talk about the wonderful cast. Now, the lead obviously is played by Jyotika, who plays Venba. Then we have a bunch of supporting cast. We have K. Bhagyaraj playing Puthuraj, Venba's father. We have R. Parthiban, who plays the role of the prosecutor, Rajaratnam. Tyagarajan essays the role of a politician named Varadarajan. And we have Pratap Potan, who is playing the main judge, Arul Kumaran. We also have other actors playing smaller roles. So coming to the actual story, the first half is basically setting the premise of opening up the old case, so there's really not much happening there, but the movie really picks up in the second half. As the two advocates are facing off each other, we see a lot of secrets unraveling, and at the end, there is a very strong social message, which is actually the main theme of the movie. Also, it was really great to see a strong film and a story which was completely on the shoulders of a female lead, so that was great. Jyotika as the main lead is absolutely brilliant. Her acting is extremely restrained. She's extremely believable. Her dialogue delivery is great. She manages to get into the skin of the character really well. K. Bhagyaraja, Pratap Potan and Tyagarajan are great additions to the film as supporting cast. With whatever limited role they had, they made the most out of it and their characters stood out. The highlight though for me was P. Parthiban's performance as the main prosecutor Rajaratnam. He was absolutely brilliant in the film. Parthiban as Rajaratnam was shrewd, smart, and his entire dialogue delivery is impeccable. I never really saw him as a villain, but as a lawyer who knows what he's doing. And because we had two really great actors like Jyotika and Parthiban who are facing off each other in the courtroom, it made the entire courtroom drama extremely intriguing and very, very interesting to watch. So a lot of things worked for me in the movie, the performances, the overall storyline. What really did not work for me were the addition of the songs. It completely broke the flow of the movie for me. And the songs were obviously playing in the background. There were certain scenes happening, but I think they could have just added those scenes with some dialogue or some music and just completely deleted the songs. The songs were really not required because for me it just, completely slowed down the pace of the movie. And because it's a courtroom drama, you have to engage the audience a lot in that. And the songs did not really work for me there. So the director as well as the writer of this movie is J.J. Fredericks. He has written a great story, I would say, has a really good social message. Obviously on the surface it is a courtroom drama, but the movie has a very strong social message which is relevant not only to our country but actually worldwide. So I really applaud him for that. I think J.J. Fredericks has really brought out great performances out of his actors, and the only thing which I did not like about the entire direction is that maybe he could have really not added the songs, and the background score was also just okay for me. What I really liked about the film, of course apart from the performances and the overall story, is the final overall social message. It's a very relevant social message that has been given out to the public, to the audience. So yes, overall I give this movie a thumbs up. Please watch it. You will not be disappointed. If you want, you can just skip the songs. I did not, of course. I am so happy to see such great content coming from South Indian industry, and it is not just now, but I think for last couple of years they have really churned out some great movies, some great stories, and of course this is one of them. And we see that Hindi film industry is trying to copy so many of the South Indian films. uh, I mean, great for South Indian films that they are getting inspired from, but I think Hindi film also needs to come up with such good and original content. That's my 2 cents on this. So that brings us to the end of the video and the review. Hope you make a decision to watch this movie, and please like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.